Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 20th April 2025. Title of Murli. By becoming free from body consciousness in a second and experiencing the stage of liberation in life, you can become a master bestower of liberation and liberation in life. Bap Dada said, "Today the Father has given you children, the golden key to all the treasures of the Supreme Soul. This day of remembrance is the day of the crown of the kingdom for you children. It is the day to make the saying, 'Son shows Father,' come true. In this Brahman life, the biggest obstacle is the ego of body consciousness. Therefore, always keep it in your intellect that the Father who is capable to making you do everything through me, the soul who is capable. This awareness is the special basis for the success of service. I, the soul, am just an instrument." With this feeling of being an instrument, the stage of being free from attachment is automatically achieved. Further, Baba said, "If you want to experience the stage of being liberated in life like Father Brahma, then while living, be detached and loving like a lotus flower. While performing actions, remain detached from the bondage of karma. This is the time to become a master bestower of liberation and liberation. The method to become like this is, become liberated from body consciousness in a second." Finally, Baba said, "Just like you use your physical organs of action like hands and feet whenever you want, however you want, similarly, you should have the same control over your mind. Wherever you want to concentrate, concentrate there. With this power of concentration, the power of determination also comes easily, and determination automatically leads to success." Blessing for today. May you become the merciful children of the merciful Father and show everyone their destination. Details are: if you merciful children of the merciful Father see anyone acting like a beggar, you would feel mercy for that soul, that he should be benefited and find his destination. Whenever any of you come into contact with such souls, you would definitely give them the Father's introduction. When someone comes to your home, you would first of all offer him some water, and if that person were to leave without accepting anything, it would be considered bad. In the same way, whoever comes into connection with you, you must definitely offer them the water of the Father's introduction, that is, as children of the bestower, be bestowers and definitely give them something, so that they can reach their destination. Slogan is, the easy meaning of an accurate attitude of disinterest is to be as loving as you are detached. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Remain constantly victorious with the awareness of the combined form. I and my Daba. Stay combined in this awareness and you will become a conqueror of Maya. In the word Karankaravneha, both the Father and you children are combined. It is the children's hands and the Father's task. It is only you children who receive a golden chance to extend your hands, and yet the experience is that the one who has everything done is making you do it. He has made you into instruments and is making you do everything. This is the sound that constantly emerges in your mind.